let's have a look at the ribbon. When you open up Excel, you will have a standard set of tabs across the top. So a file is by default to the left. You have the home, the insert, all the way up to view, and anything along that except for the help is then added, customizing from your needs. Now I have added the developer tab, which are used for things like VBA and some other functions, and I have Power Pivot as well added over here. Now within each of the tabs you have a block, and within the block you have a certain number of functions that are related. So for example, if we look at the font, you have the color, the borders, and the different formatting options here. So this way helps you to be able to have functions in Excel that are easily accessible. Now with the ribbon, there are a number of things that we could also do. So let's come across to the arrow here. If we click on the arrow right here, you can go across to a full screen mode where it removes completely the ribbon and you have an area within Excel that you can work easily. Now let's just click back onto the three dots there. Once we click here, we can go show tabs only. And now you just have the option of where the tabs are sitting. Now these are easily accessible. Just once you click onto them, it drops down. And once again, we can go down and click on the little arrow here, and we can always show ribbon. So these are the options that you have available. Now to customize the ribbon, there are two ways to access the customization. You can go to File and you can go down to Options. And once you go to Options, you have the Customize ribbon. And this can bring you up a dialog box where you can do a number of things, or an easier way is you simply come up to the ribbon, you right click on the ribbon, and you can go down to Customize ribbon right here. Once again, we are opened up with a dialog box right here, and if there are some certain features that you want to add or delete, we can simply do this right here in Excel. So let's start by re-adding the add in button on our home tab. So as you know that it was available here. So we come on to home and we have the add-ins right here. We can click on it and click on add-ins. Now when you press add, we will have a little error group here, which tells us that we need to add it to a custom group. Now, if we don't have a custom group, we need to pick a tab or we click a new group. So let's add a new group. Let's go and new group. Now on the new group, we can rename this. Let's first add in our add-ins. So we have now a new group called add-ins. The new group can be renamed to add-ins, and you can also have a little logo or symbol if you want to have that. So let's just click onto that, press OK, and press OK. And as you can see, we have the dialog box just appear over here. Now, if you want to move this across, we could also do that. So let's just go and customize the ribbon once again. And what we can do is try to move the add-ins to another place. Now let's go and click on this, and we can simply just move it up or down, and let's just bring it all the way next to the clipboard right here. Press OK, and now you have your add-ins button right here. So this is a very quick way to customize your ribbons.